Diversity 2, I have my replacement exhaust header for the driver's side, the left side. This one came from O'Reilly's. Comes with a heat shield. And the bolts here. I damaged mine up in this area here. Doing the project, so, but I did hack it in. It works, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. It's kind of warped, but get this project over with. Got one more down here. Let's see that one. Get that one off. But I could have got this cheaper online. I wanted to get this project over with. It's going to be installed this way. Got me a new gasket from AutoZone. Hit a gasket and my flange gasket. This is almost 17 bucks or so. I don't know why it's so high. Even the manager thought it was high. Got that out the way. And my flange bolts. They're almost the same price online, so I thought, well, let's get some of this stuff. My header bolts and my flange. For my flange, and the nuts to come with them, and we're ready to roll. But I did manage to hack my flange gasket, and it works fine. But we're going to put the real one on there. Get this show on the road. Diversity 2, changing out exhaust header on the driver's side. I got some extensions to help me out. And let's go. Alright, we got our splash guard out the way. Got all the Christmas tree little bolts off of there. And just slid it back, forward rather. And that's my DIY flange gasket. It works out pretty good. So now I got room to get to my heat shield and my exhaust header from here. I gotta get that oxygen sensor out the way with my 11. Well, let's see here. What is this? It's my 13/16 wrench. Get my oxygen sensor off and should be on my way. Get those bolts up, but I'm gonna have to lay on my back to do that. Knock it out. Okay, we got everything sorted out here. So here again we got our 5/8 for our flange nut. Fits right there. And I like to check my sockets and make sure everything's going to fit. This is a 12mm for the exhaust header. And for the exhaust cover, header cover, it's kind of loose. Well, I have a 1332. Now I need to find a wrench to get my oxygen sensor out the way. Okay, I was able to pull it straight up through the opening here, but I had to slide my covering out the way. Either that or remove the front drive shaft. But either it came out, so got that done. Okay, we're going to see if we can slide the new one. And this is how we got that one out. So let's see here. Well, it worked out. Get my basket on and get it lined up and I didn't break any spark plug. Good. Okay. We put in the header back in without taking a lot of stuff apart. That worked out fine. We're ready to connect it. We'll tighten some stuff down. Okay, we've got a little okay, we got my exhaust flange bolts in. Right up there. Probably, I don't know if you can see them or not. The sun's in my face. Got my clear flange bolts in. Can't see too much. Okay, it's a virtually 2. We just completed replacing this exhaust header and the header gasket and the flange gasket. New bolts, everything seems to be nice and flat and sealed. And it stopped raining. It takes care of that problem.